So we're getting toddy here as well. And this is not the reason we came here. We actually came here for the food which was actually recommended by many of our listeners. For our viewers who commented that you should come and try certain things here. And the thing that's most popular at this place, this is Amma Veedu. Amma Veedu basically means your mom's house, or let's say it's the mother's kitchen kind of concept, where you come home and you say mom's food is the best. So this is something which promises that kind of a feeling. Now, what's special here is the fish. Some of them were commenting that you get the fish head here, which at times would be of pretty big fishes, which comes up to 2 kilos, 3 kilos, the head itself, and that tastes like massive. It's like a massive explosion of spices inside that. We came in one for that. And also the squid is pretty famous here. So we're looking into one of these things. And since it's fish, we also have to see if the fish is available, the one which we came for. But let's hit it. And we have heard so many good things about this. Before we get in, let me tell you where this is. Okay, so from Trivandrum city, you will be going to the next district, which is Kollam. So this is the national highway. And once you reach Chattanur, and after the Chattanur KSRTC bus stand, which is the government bus stand here, then again you have to go forward a little more, and this one you will find on the right hand side. There are no chances that you will miss this. So once, or if you are traveling to this place, make sure that you are coming here and have the food. You have plenty of parking spaces as well. Since this is actually on the highway, means people who are traveling will be coming here and having those beautiful dishes. Now let's go in and see what's available today, because like I said, it's mostly famous for the fish, and let's see, since it is fish, we don't know which one is available today. Aha! On second thought, I usually like all these kinds of snacks, local things which are kept here, like this one, but I think we'll try. This is something that we call locally Ten Mithai, okay, which basically translates to honey sweet or honey candy kind of thing, because it may be dripping, the sugar syrup will be dripping off it. That's the reason we call it Ten Mithai or honey candy. So let's see if this thing has some. I dig these things here. I mean, when I'm going and having things like this, my friends would ask, you eat everything from any roadside shoppery? I would say, yeah, pretty lucky that, let me see if I can find something here, not this one. I'll try one more. You saw that? Look at this. Woo! So let's go in and see what's available today. I think we are in for a big surprise. So this is Palappam, and Namaskaram Jeji, പേര് എന്താണ്?
Sethu.
So this is Sethu. She is making some lovely Palappam for us. Like, this is served best once straight out of the kitchen, straight out of the stove. You just have to have this. So this is perfect condition. So ചേച്ചി, ഇവിടുത്തെ ഏറ്റവും ഫേമസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള സാധനങ്ങൾ എന്താണ്? ഇപ്പോൾ ആൾക്കാർ വീണ്ടും 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 ഇവിടെ കഴിക്കാൻ എന്തിനാണ്?
ചെമ്മീൻ മസാല, ഞണ്ട്, പച്ചക്കുരുമുളകിന്റെ ഞണ്ട്, കപ്പ, പിന്നെ കരിമീൻ പൊള്ളിച്ചത്. കരിമീൻ പൊള്ളിച്ചെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ ഉപ്പും മുളകും ഒക്കെ ഇട്ട് നല്ല ഇതായിട്ട് പൊള്ളിച്ച് വാഴയിലേക്കകത്ത് വെച്ച് പൊള്ളിച്ച് നല്ല സൂപ്പറായിട്ട് അടിപൊളിയായി.
So basically what she is saying is that the fish items are the specialty here, and they come in all sizes and shapes, different types of fish. I don't know what they are called. she was actually talking about all the local names, but there is a ton of fishes, and they make it into curries, they make it into masalas, they fry it, and you get a lot of preparations in each division as well. Each fish will get a lot of different things. ഇവിടുത്തെ ഏറ്റവും ഫേമസ് ചേച്ചിയുടെ ഒരു നാവിൻ്റെ ഇതിൽ ഏറ്റവും രുചിയുള്ളത്
ഏറ്റവും രുചിയുള്ളതെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പിന്നെ ചെമ്മീൻ മസാല, ഞണ്ട്, പച്ച കുരുമുളകിനകത്തിട്ട് വെച്ച ഞണ്ട് ഫേമസ്.
The certain things she was actually talking about, the spices which are used, which are like traditional spices, which at times may not be even available readily around here as well, but they have this special spices. And also the chemmeen, which is the prawns masala, is her favorite, so we need to try that. പക്ഷേ ഇന്നിപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എന്താണ്, നമ്മൾ പാലപ്പം കഴിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്,
കണവ റോസ്റ്റ്, കണവ ഫ്രൈ, ഫ്രൈ കണവ ഫ്രൈ.
So we are going to have a squid here, which is also, some of them said it's very yummy, it's tasty. So we're going to have squid with palapam, and also
കള്ളുണ്ട്
with toddy, because that kind of is the combination that people come here for. So നമുക്ക് കഴിക്കാല്ലേ? സെറ്റ് ആണോ? റെഡിയാ?
ഓക്കെ, റെഡി.
സെറ്റ്. Let's see if we can get some toddy here. I mean, they have it here. I think. Chera kallanda. Yeah, this is the place where you actually come and get the toddy. So, I can see that they serve this thing in a small pot as well. Kuppiling kitole, and they can also serve you in a bottle if you want. So, this is the pot in which they actually serve the toddy. So let's see. Chera oru കുടത്തിൽ തന്നെ നമുക്കൊരു കള്ള് എടുക്കാം. Oh man, see, this is the reason we say food has to be enjoyed with all your senses. It's just not about the smell of the food or the taste that actually you can feel, but it's also about the happiness food gives when you're actually watching it being prepared, or when it's presented in front of you. For example, when this toddy was being poured into this pot, the way it was bubbling up and it was getting filled up, that was happiness, man. It was truly a happy moment. I mean, we need to taste this thing, but even watching that itself, and it smells nice. Yeah, it smells nice. So let's try this out. That's a pretty strong one, okay? Trust me, because I'm not so used to this, but those guys who are actually used to drinking toddy or like color, I mean, you guys are gonna love this because it has a little bite to it, okay? But I think this one will also activate your taste buds. So this is the person. He is the one who actually prepares the food. Chana, namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
Erendana?
Vinod Kumar.
So this is Vinod Kumar. So he is person who actually cooks a famous food here, because those who have actually been here have recommended this place. ഇവിടുത്തെ മീൻ വിഭവങ്ങളാണ് കൂടുതലും കൂട്ടുകാർ നമ്മളോട് പറഞ്ഞത്.
അതെ, മീൻ എല്ലാ വെറൈറ്റീസും മീനുണ്ട്.
നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് കണവയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് തയ്യാറാക്കിയത്. ഇതെന്താണ് ആക്ച്വലി?
ഇത് ചിക്കൻ പെരട്ട് എന്ന് പറയും. ഇവിടുത്തെ ടച്ചിങ്സിന് ഒരു പ്രത്യേക രീതിയിലുണ്ട്.
Oh, okay. So this is actually chicken perat. It's kind of a roast, but they usually give it as touchings when you're having the toddy. So നമുക്ക് touchings എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഒന്ന് ടേസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. This is straight. It's hot. Whoa, it's hot, man. It's hot. It is straight out of the cow. See, chicken perat or the roast is actually a very popular dish in Kerala because anywhere you go, you get a variety of the perret and they have a similar pattern. But this is so much different. സാധാരണ നമ്മുടെ ഇവിടെ കിട്ടുന്ന പെരട്ടേ അല്ല ഇത്.
നമ്മുടെ പ്രത്യേക രീതിയിൽ തന്നെ
എനിക്ക് ഐഡിയ മനസ്സിലായി. കുടിയന്മാർക്ക് അതിന്റെ കൂടെ എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യാവുന്ന
എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യാവുന്ന തന്നെ.
So the taste, the secret is usually when they make chicken roast or the perret version, they make it to be eaten with something, bread items. But this one is specially to go with the toddy, so it has a different feeling. The spices mix is a little different and it's yum beyond words can describe. So I would say if you are a person who don't enjoy the toddy or maybe not a fish person, chicken perret is absolute yum. കലിപ്പ് എനിക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു, രക്ഷയില്ല. സൂപ്പർ സാധനം, യം, അടിപൊളി. ചലോ, now let's get into the main thing which we came here for. So we're going to have appam with the squid fry. Let's hit it. Chalo. So yeah, we're waiting for the food. We're waiting for the food. I think it's all ready. They'll just be bringing it here. But you know, I was just tasting this. Like I said, I'm not a person who actually drinks. But you know, this is something which goes with the food and with the combination. This is actually said to actually elevate the taste of the food as well. But one thing which I've noticed is, you know, the first sip and the sip that I took right now, with every sip, the taste gets better. Yeah, it gets smoother, the taste gets better, and I think it's not a big surprise that, you know, once people start drinking this nectar, I mean, people become a huge fan of this kallu or, you know, toddy. This is an addictive stuff, yeah. The taste gets better and better. So food is here, a hero of the day, prawns fry, squid fry. It's not prawns. I think one day we should actually come and try their prawns. It's also said to be her favorite, so we need to come and try that. Thank you, Jeji. And we're having this with palapam. So the food is here. Now let's hit it. So this is palapam. Now let's see how this has to be had. We pick up a piece or two of this kanava. We'll also add a little onions, which will be full of the flavor. And you take it up. And it's nice. See, the thing is, we've also been tasting the toddy here, and this appam is actually prepared actually with toddy. So this appam also has the feel and flavor of this drink, which actually goes very well with the fish items here. I think if the food is a little spicy, the flavor completely hit off. Now we need to actually see how the squid tastes on its own, because this thing has the flavor of the toddy which is actually in here, because this is prepared with the toddy. So we need to see how this tastes on its own. And now is the time that you actually feel the real taste of the squid alone, because the squid fry, can you hear the crunch? It's so crispy on the outside, and as you know, the squid actually goes very soft in the inside. So this is actually very nice. You can feel different flavors. It's not overpowering. That's one thing which you have to say. The flavors are not overpowering. It's just perfect. That's a cute balance to it. Now we're trying something else. We'll take a lot of good pieces. Oh, and let's try and stuff this and see how that tastes. Oh, no. See, when we first had the squid with this appam, it was a different taste. Now when we had one piece all alone, that opened up a certain portion of your palate, which actually brought out some new spices and masala, the flavors, Indian spices. But when you're stuffing your mouth with this thing, and when you actually, slowly the juices go through your throat, the flavor is totally different, because your mouth, there will be a lot of points where you can feel the taste, and it's all touching the food right now, and this is heaven, man, heaven. Now let's try something else. So this is appam, and this is squid fry. Why not roll it up and let's make a new dish? This will be RJ Vishnu's squid fry appam roll. And let's try how good that is. I look ugly like that, no? It's not the proper way to eat, but when the food is so good, look at how good that is looking. You just dig it and eat it like a beast. And let me tell you, my mouth is full, but still let me tell you, they should introduce this dish here. They should be introducing appam rolls, which has squid inside this. Am I audible? This is good. Hard labor, man. This is not an easy job, so I have to finish this thing. It's not gonna be too tough, but I'm gonna enjoy this, and for that reason I think I'm gonna say switch off the camera. But before we go, if you're wondering how much this costs, again they surprised me with the cost, because this entire big plate, I think a family of 4 can actually easily have this. This only costs $300, which I think is perfect value for money. This is perfect value for money. For $300, this feels like the best thing. And right now, if you are wondering who is the happiest soul in this world, don't think too much, it's me. Because when such delicious food is served in front of you, you can't judge me. So before I go, let me just remind you, for these guys who actually want to come here and try this food, this is Chattanooga. So from Trivandrum city, if you're going to Kollam, the next district, there will be a bus station in Chattanooga. So past that bus station and you go a little forward, Amma Veedu is on the right side, okay? And the food is to die for. This is so good. Now, tell us how much you like this seafood, and if you want us to explore more places where you get the real traditional Nadan Kerala dishes, do let us know. And if you know some places, do comment that, because we love to come and try the food there. So until next time, I have a job at hand. So please, we'll meet next time, right? So this is RJ Vishnu signing off. Over and out.